Guru Guruvar. A big thank you to all of you who appreciated our previous video on independence from ignorance. We took 37 points then, and we would be covering the rest of the 37 points towards independence from ignorance. What is independence? Independence, according to me, is all about dignity. Independence from ignorance is dignity. And when it talks about money, obviously, ignorance is never bliss. Especially when you have so many vultures pouncing upon your hard-earned money. So, it is prudent on our part to take the financial decisions properly and in a very guided way. It is Think's endeavor to take you through 74 points which will take you towards independence from ignorance. My name is Rajesh Atangri, your Shubchintak, your financial warrior, who will be taking the rest of the 37 points to provide you independence from ignorance. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. SIP is just a way of investing through mutual fund schemes. EMI more than 35% of your annual income means you are attracting trouble for yourself. Tax filing is important even if you do not fall under the income bracket. Everything that gives you fixed return is mostly taxable into your hands. Don't follow the TV anchors for tips. They're still anchoring TV shows. Do remember that. Intraday trading is all about making pocket money. When you talk about wealth creation, it's long term. Remember to refer friends to Shubchintaks like us. Remember, you are not sharing your portfolio details, just your trust. SIPs are your long-term friends. Do not befriend them. Remember to ensure your parents do not always attach tax angle to it. The need will always arise for insurance whenever you ask this question, what if? Don't forget, investing is all about discipline and most of the times it's really boring. Personal accident covers are always better to be taken from general insurance companies. Do not follow the herd mentality. You will always end up being the scapegoat. The financial plan is the blueprint towards financial freedom. Stick to your financial goals. Do not ever interchange your money for different goals. Will you ever sacrifice your child's education money to buy a car? Will you? No pain, no gain. Investing early, starting early, has its own advantage over someone who starts pretty late in life. Equity investments aren't as complex as you think so if you educate yourself. Why not treat health insurance as a preserver of all your wealth? Do not ever overcommit on your investments. Take smaller but firm steps. Many times the claims coming up during the grace period aren't payable. One doesn't need insurance plans to plan your retirement. You can also do that with mutual funds. Do not fear volatility. Your ECG also shows similar patterns. Financial matters is all about collective decisions. Do involve your family in each and every financial goals. Let's limit our investments in few assets. It's easier to handle them than handling a big portfolio. Remember, you can't buy insurance whenever you need so. You can't buy a parachute when the plane is about to crash. Please ensure paying up your premiums and your SIPs on time. Always cross-verify the returns told to you on your investments. Make hay while the sun shines. You will get opportunities to invest whenever you seek so. Do not ever let your premiums decide the health insurance cover and your insurance covers. Rome wasn't built in a day. Investing is an art and wealth creation takes time. There are term plans which also offer inflation-adjusted coverages. always remember to create a strong financial base before you start playing with your money. Concentrating on our own work will give the maximum returns than your investments. Buying insurances from part-timers will always lead to fatal consequences. Always remember to save for the rainy day. You never know when you need the money. Last but not the least, do not ever forget this formula. Income minus your savings will always be expenses. We are sure the total of 74 points would have given you enough of insights to give you the independence from ignorance. All of these 74 points have been collated over the last 10 to 15 years. Please do not forget to like, subscribe as well as share this video to your near and dear ones as well as your friends and colleagues. Please do leave your comments and we appreciate your comments in the comments box as well. What are we going to take next Thursday in our Guru Guruvar series? All of us like gifts, and that's exactly what we are going to talk about. You may wonder, is Rajesh and the Think team going to give us a lot of gifts? Of course, there will be some announcements on that as well. But then till next Thursday, you need to stay invested onto our Guru Guruvar series. This is Rajesh Atangdi, your Shubchintak, financial warrior, saying Happy Independence Day to you. Jai Hind.